I need everybody to tag Microsoft with this video if you don't mind, and let them know, do not destroy the Surface Duo with an ugly giant camera bump on the back. I am an avid supporter of what Microsoft did with the original Surface Duo. Now, all these leaks coming out about the Surface Duo 2, this is really getting annoying because I personally do not feel like that ugly, hideous, giant camera bump on the back of this so-called Surface Duo 2, this photos that are leaking up and surfing around the internet, I think that's a total Photoshop. I don't believe that Microsoft would deviate from this beautiful hardware right here. There's no way that they would deviate from this just to get a better camera setup on here. The cameras that are on the Surface Duo right now are not horrible. They're not. I personally feel like I'm not going to put Gcam on there. I'm going to use them for what they are. They look good for video calls. They look good for 4K video, 1080p video. They look great all around to me. They just didn't justify and warrant the original price when it came out. And now, even though that price has dropped, they've improved everything. So the cameras are doable, folks. These cameras are legit. They're good now. So, and that's just my opinion. But I don't think that Microsoft will go that far off the scale and tilt and put these ugly, this big giant Samsung type camera array on the back and deviate from this beautiful hardware right here. I just don't think they'll do it. I don't think they would switch it up that quick. This is only the second generation of this device that we're waiting on, and they're not going to make such a huge jump just to satisfy everybody who thinks the cameras are bad. No, because this isn't a device for camera photos. People complain about everything, but this device wasn't brought out to take care of people who want to take a bunch of photos. That's not what it was for. If you want something like that, there's plenty of other devices that you can get, even better, even foldable phones with better cameras on them. But I just don't believe that they will put this 3 camera array giant bump on the back and keep everything as the same. It's impossible. There was a leak that came out a while back where it had a single small camera with a little indentation on it. That sounds and looks realistic. For take a small step just to add the back camera. Microsoft, I need everybody to tag Microsoft with this video if you don't mind, and let them know, do not destroy the Surface Duo with an ugly giant camera bump on the back. We don't need it. Don't let the tech world and these people out here who feel like they have to have the best cameras and the best of everything for $200 ruin everything. This hardware on the Surface Duo is fantastic. It's fantastic. Just adding a little single camera. They can do it without even adding a camera bump. They can do it. They can do it. Because you have phones out there right now that don't have camera bumps that have great cameras. They totally can do it. That is the direction that Microsoft should go in if they decide to add a rear camera. But I'm hoping that they do not destroy the Surface Duo with an ugly design for rear cameras. And this is why I made this video. I'm tired of looking at the leaks. I wish leaks would just go. I wish people would just stop it, man. But I know that's not realistic. But I want people to pretty much just stop with the nonsense. Stop photoshopping things. Because to me, this looks like a clear Photoshop. For real. It looks hideous. And if you don't think so, gosh, man, tear the photo apart yourself. It's the front side of the Surface Duo with another device, and it's photoshopped on there. I can make that photo. Then they have to make a black one, a black version of the color of it. Folks, don't fall for this. Microsoft, don't do this. Don't do it. That is what I'm saying. Do not do this. So if you too think this is a fraud, which I think it is, sound off in the comments, because I am so tired of these ugly leaks coming out about the Surface Duo. It's stupid. Come on. It's dumb. So that's why I made this video. I want to stop for a second, make this video. I want to have a discussion what you guys think. Have you seen this ugly leak going around with the Surface Duo? It is just stupid. So hope you guys enjoyed a quick vlog, man. Please tag Microsoft and let them know your man Jay said, do not do this. Because for one, the device is probably already produced. It may not be in full mass production, but it's definitely got those final hardwares. If it's coming out like we think it is in the next month or two, the hardware's they're done. They're probably done. So all the Surface Duo fans, rejoice if you do not want that ugly camera bump on the back. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's discuss in the comments.